Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the bank details and the opening balance so you won't interrupt the flow later. Open your QuickBooks Desktop company file and make a backup. This protects data if you need to roll back. Once done, navigate to the chart of accounts and choose New to add an account. Make sure to select the correct account type, checking versus savings, because it affects reconciliation behavior. This initial setup avoids mismatched balances and saves time during your first reconciliation. Now you create the actual account entry. Click New, select account type and detail type, then name the account clearly so you can spot it in lists later. Enter the opening balance and use the bank statement's beginning date. This aligns QuickBooks with the bank and prevents starting balance errors. Save the account and confirm it shows in the chart of accounts. If you plan to download transactions, enable online banking here. Otherwise, prepare to enter transactions manually for consistency. Finish by bringing transactions in and reconciling. If you use bank feeds, set up the bank connection and download transactions. If not, enter recent transactions to match the statement. Then run Reconcile, enter the bank statement's ending balance and date, and clear matching items until the difference is 0. If you can't reconcile, check the beginning balance and dates first. Most issues come from a wrong start date or duplicated opening balance. Adjust a single entry and re-reconcile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.